What's going on, guys? Yaman here, back with another video, and in this video we're going to be looking at the Razer Kraken 7.1 V2, a very underrated headset in my opinion. But first, let's look at an unboxing and see what you get inside. Let me just slide the box over here real quick. Now the box is white because I've got the Mercury edition of this headset. It is a pretty sturdy box. It's got some Razer branding on the sides. And there's also some diagrams of the headset on the back. Nothing on the top, just a pull tab. Let's get the box open, shall we? It does feel like a premium unboxing experience in typical Razer fashion. And here we're presented with a catchphrase, "Welcome to the cult of Razer," in typical Razer fashion. And in front of us is the actual headset. First impressions was that it is a little hefty. After I put the wires to the side, I did notice it does feel a little big. They are over ear, of course, and we've got the Razer branding on the top with some leather. The cups are leather as well, and it's stainless steel. Let me just put it to the side, see what else there is in here. There's not much more else other than some instructions, which we've already read. And of course, a Razer sticker, which is actually pretty cool in the light if you want to put it somewhere. In terms of comfort, if we take a closer look, I think these are amazing for the price. They can stretch quite a bit if you ask me. They're pretty flexible, the band itself, and you can also adjust the sides for rather taller heads. They feel pretty premium. There's also an extendable mic on the side, which you can pull out, and it does have this mute button over here, and when it's muted you can see the button will be red, and you can just unmute it and tuck it back in, which I find pretty convenient. The software that comes with these headphones is actually called the Razer Synapse. It's a decent overall software. Here we'll go through a quick overview of it. Over here you can calibrate it. Here's the audio where you can change the volume, the bass, you can adjust clarity and all these different options. There's also, if you go into the mic tab, you can adjust the sensitivity, you can hear yourself to see how it sounds. And then mixer, I don't have any applications installed for that. And then there's also EQ if you want to mess around with these settings. And then finally, the main thing actually, there's the lighting tab, where you can adjust the lighting and see how it works out for you. Now let's try breathing, and I'll try red, I guess, and let's see how that looks. So over here, this is what the breathing red looks like in a dark room. I mean, you can't see it yourself, but that's how it looks. Now let me change it here. Let's go with, like, I guess static, and I'll just put on like a light color. I'll just use this one. And then over here, as you can see, it'll light up, and it's like a static light color. In the video it looks a little white, but it's like lightish pink. And then lastly, I guess we should try out the Spectrum Wave, which is what most people will probably have on it. So let's go here, click Spectrum, and then let's see how it looks. There's a Spectrum Wave. I guess that's what I'll probably keep on it. These headphones, I say, are underrated because while they're hard to find now, you can find them really cheap, like 40-50 bucks on used markets. Now if you wanted to know what the mic sounds like, this entire video was recorded with it, so feel free to rewatch and be the judge. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys, and bye for now.